Hi, Miriam here. Are you feeling lost? You don't know where to start on your keto diet? Stay tuned. I will give you the best option of how to start. So if you're like me, when you were starting and you feel lost, you didn't know how to start, I've been investigating for a few months already about the keto diet. But still it was a little bit confusing. Know about macronutrients, but a lot of people, they don't know how many fats, how many proteins, how many carbs on the foods. We're just feeling completely lost. They don't know what to cook. They think that they should just be eating bacon, cream, shawarma, like all these heavy fats. But it's not like that. Actually, you can prepare your meals ahead of time and then make sure that you have all the specific nutrients and all your macros, so then you can reach all your goals during the day. I discovered this amazing book, the Keto Meal Prep. It is actually really good. It's a 21-day keto meal plan, and it's great for beginners. So if you're feeling like lost, you don't know where to start, and you're like, oh my god, I have no idea what to cook, I don't know how much carbs has this, how much fats, how much proteins, this is the book for you. This book has a lot of recipes. Actually, it tells you like easy grocery shopping, less waste, time saver, stress reduction, how to start preparing today, your meal preparation equipment, what you need in your kitchen, how to make a shopping list, go shopping and start with a clean area, how to start cooking, how to buy in bulk. It's just amazing. Like, it is a lot of amazing contents. I have to say, I truly love this book. I'm gonna go to day one if you could, so you can see. You see, it shows you all the meals you should have for day one, like your breakfast, your lunch, your snack, dinner, dessert, and it tells you how many carbs per day if you follow this recipe, like a berry smoothie, BLP salad, green salmon bites, ginger soup, coconut macaroons. So it explains to you how many carbs you're gonna have, so then you have a better control. And if you're using your other app like MyFitnessPal, then you can track everything better. Or if you're fasting, then you eat all in once. I do actually, for me, what it works is pretty much one big meal and just a snack, and I still fasting for 18 hours. So, but it has amazing recipes. But it has breakfast recipes, tells you all the breakfast. Then also comes with lunch recipes. And it has pictures, so it's nice. It's black and white, but who cares? They're really nice. Snack recipes and also dinner recipes. And believe me, they're delicious. They're really good. They're a little variety, and then you don't have to be stuck just eating the same thing and then just feeling like, oh my god, I'm bored of eating the same thing, because at some point you will get bored of cheese. Well, I don't get bored of cheese. I really love cheese. Anyway, so I truly recommend this book, and where you can get it. So I'm gonna put in the link on the comment section where you can buy this amazing book. It is truly, you need to go and buy it today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Order today and just start preparing your meals, so then you can have a very successful journey through keto. This book is amazing, and this is for you. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. And if you did any of the recipes on the book that you would like to share or let us know how it turned to, just make sure you put your comment, and then we would give it a try. I will make sure I will post another videos on some of the snacks. Oh, this is for bacon lovers, chocolate bacon. I'm not sure about that one. But some people really love bacon. But they have raspberry popsicles. I might just do some of those. and I will post a video with some of my snacks. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and just remember to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for following me. Take care.